Hello everyone, welcome back to Livedocs University. And today you are going to learn about what is data. So most people, when they talk about data, they often think of it as numbers, full of numbers. But data is not just numbers. Data, it's like a description into something, into a reality, a situation, and then put this into a table, like what you see here. So here we have got an example of a gym data set. Almost all of the data you would see will be presented in this way in Excel's, in SQL database. The rows represent an individual observations, and each of the columns here represent the attributes of those observations. And that's it. That's the whole idea of data. So here we've got a data set of gym members. As you can see, we've got columns, the age, the gender, the weight, height, the max BPM, average BPM, and here you would see each rows of columns. For example, this member is 56 years old and he's a male and he is 88.3 kilograms and height of 1.71 meters, BPM of 180, and so on and so on. And here's the data of the second member. It's a female, 46 years old, 74.9 kilograms, and so on. And you will look at the data in this way, and each columns describe something about the member, the name, the age, the gender, the weight, the height, the BPM. So the whole table is not the gym members, but it's a model of the members. And each columns can have different types. For example, the age would be in numbers, and the gender categories, because it's male and female, and the weight would be numbers, the height would be numbers, BPM would be numbers, let's see. And the workout type would be category. And we've got text as well, which is like, for example, the name, the address. So now you understand what data really is, the columns and the rows and types. So these are the three fundamental things that make up what's data. We'll see you in the next tutorial.